Okay, we're gonna do Casey's face. I use a 15 blade, and I typically start, like, find their Adam's apple, which is about right here, and go about 2 inches below it. And you can make it round, or you can make it V-shape. Either one, it doesn't matter. No one pays attention. I go both sides. I do here. Both directions, because I have all these little cowlicks in here. And then I flip the ear back. You want to go from the bottom of the ear. You get up inside there a little bit. And just meet the two in the center. Connect the dots. Now what I do is I flip this back. You don't want to pull it, but you want to just move the hair and go from the top of the ear to the corner of the eye. And that straight line right there. Then you want to pull this back. You want to make sure it's tight, because if you don't, it'll bunch up her skin. And then you tighten up the eyes so you don't hurt anything on there. No, don't want to cut them. Just keep all this tight. Pull everything tight here. And go in both directions. You'll leave a lot of hair there. It's good. If your dog has a white face that is sensitive, you can go with a 10 blade instead of a 15. A lot of people ask if you should do that V there, right here, this big V. I don't usually do a V. I just make it kind of round just to keep the hair from getting down low there. Do the same thing on this side. Just connect the spots that you've shaved. Again, just pull that back and you don't want to go too high, because it'll look kind of funny whenever you're cutting in your top knot. Helps to have a cooperative dog too. Be careful when you come up to the edge of that their nose. You can catch that piece of skin there, right here, with your clippers. You don't want to do that. That's not very comfortable for them. Doing the lips, pull it tight. They don't typically care for their whiskers and all to be done. To get this area, this flue right here, I grab this skin here and just pull it tight, and you get all that really, really good in there. That's what'll become infected if you don't clean it. Just be careful, and because they tend to want to lick when you get in this area. You can typically feel or tell when they're going to lick. She's so used to it, she doesn't bother licking anymore until we're done. Also, you want to make sure to touch your blade to yourself and that it's just warm and not hot. Same thing on this side. And try not to hit their teeth. I'm sure that's not comfortable either. Be nice and clean. Going around the lips. Kind of hold their mouth closed a little bit. You take your finger and run it up here to help pull out the hair. so you can take it off. Sometimes I'll take a 30 blade just in this area here to help clean up the lips really good. But that just depends on if that's something you want to do. If you're worried about their tongue, you can take just their lip, and that way their tongue won't get in the way for you if you want to do it that way. And that's her face.